What's up, guys? Hey, I'm glad you're here because you're ready, obviously, to start a business. And you're looking for something that's gonna, obviously, in the best case scenario, be the lowest startup cost with the greatest reward. And I believe carpet cleaning is probably one of the best opportunities out there for that in that situation. Also, if you're looking for something that you don't need your background doesn't need to be a college degree, or maybe you just don't have the best. Just think about it, guys. Maybe you just don't have the best background to even get a state job. I mean, it happens to the best of us. Life's tough. Well, again, carpet cleaning is a perfect fit. I'm really passionate about this because I remember growing up. And until my 40s, I felt very, very, very hopeless. And I didn't think that there's anything out there for me. I didn't have a college degree. My money, right, it wasn't up there to where I thought, all right, I'm never going to be able to start a business because I don't have the capital or the credit to do this. So thank God that just the dominoes just laid perfectly out for me. And brought me into carpet cleaning. Now, carpet cleaning was something I started out as a teenager, but pretty much forgot about it. Never thought about it as a serious business until I got older. And as I started learning and I started getting more motivated, I started not only learning how to clean carpets professionally, do an exceptional job, but I learned the business. And thank God, because I learned the business right on time. 48 years old, tapped on the shoulder, hey, I can't afford to pay you no more, is what he said to me, right? And this was 2 days before Friday. This is Wednesday. Friday was my last day. So luckily I had been working on my side hustle, which maybe you're going to be starting this business as a side hustle, which I think it's a great business for that. I was already pulling in some money. I was already making some great money, right? But then it was full time. I was in shock. Luckily, I learned how to get that phone to ring. I learned what to do. I learned how the professionals are doing it. And I never had to look back. So I built my business with a $1,600 portable machine. All right. I moved up and got a used truck mount for $5,000. And that $5,000 used truck mount made me over $400,000. Okay? And then I finally went into a newer truck mount, which I'm using today. Since I started business, I've made over $1 million in carpet cleaning. Okay? I have plenty of time on my hands. I work no more than 4 hours a day, typically. So yeah, I'm making 4 or 5 times as much as I did when I was working 8 to 10 hours, sometimes even 12 hours, or 2 jobs at some points in my life just to get by. So do I think this is a great opportunity? Am I motivated when I'm trying to tell you guys, hey, if you want to do this, Green Rhino Academy is here. See, this course is different. All right, not only does it teach you technique, how to clean carpet, right? Including, by the way, hardwood floor cleaning, tile cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. But I also teach you how to build the business to succeed because after, 2 years, most small businesses close shop. Why? It's not because they don't know how to do whatever it is that they're trying to sell. It's because they just don't know how to run the business and they don't know how to get those customers. So I teach you how the professionals do it, right? You're not going to find anything else out there on the internet world that's going to teach you everything from technique to business, especially for the price that I'm offering. Okay, so if you guys want to go ahead and start a business, you're feeling hopeless, you're like tired of clocking in, clocking out, and you just want something more. You think you can be the captain of your own ship, right? Or just wondering how you're going to make it from day to day, paycheck to paycheck. Well, starting your own cleaning business is a gold mine. All right, it's a gold mine. And if you watch my YouTube channel, you can see that I'm passionate about it. And I love the fact that I'm changing people's lives. So I have over 1,000 Green Rhino Academy students, and a majority of them are running carpet cleaning business successfully. Some of them start part-time at $5,000 a month, just as a part-time hustle, and they're making an extra. Now, how much would $5,000 more a month improve your life? I mean, it's not even a lot of money when it comes to this business. Now, if you want to go full-time, well, your potential with one machine is easily between $100,000 and $200,000 a year. And this is the kicker, guys. Say $150,000 a year. You're not going to have to work over 4 hours per day, 5 days a week. Do you think you're ever going to get that where you're at now? Now I have police officers that are students of mine. I have CEOs that are students of mine. I have CEOs that are students of mine. Just across the map, that they just want that freedom, right? They want to control their own income and have more time on their hands, more time with their family. And again, this is the perfect fit. So I'm not going to keep rambling. You want to learn some more? Go ahead and scroll down below. But if you want to go ahead and get started and stop wasting time, all right, let's do this, all right? You know where to go. Click down there, click the link below, and let's get started. Hope to see you on the other side.